Industry analysts are predicting that vehicle miles traveled globally will nearly double to 19.6 trillion miles by 2030, indicating that the demand for tire production will continue to increase, which has led tire manufacturers to look for ways to remain competitive. The design of a tire can have a high impact on the safety, comfort, and performance of a vehicle. Dassault Systems is transforming the way designers and engineers work. Today, at the start of any new project, many groups begin operating in their own systems and databases with no connection to each other. Information is maintained in emails and local storage, turning these groups into silos. Valuable data is at risk of being lost and left behind, providing little opportunity for reuse on the next project. Imagine the possibilities of having a digital thread connect all the systems and people of the project on a single foundational platform for product development. This platform will provide a single access point for decision makers to collaborate, explore, analyze, and ultimately make decisions. Real-time project tracking through use of dashboards gives visibility on progress. Enhanced requirements analysis allows companies to capture model-based requirements and correlate them to system components. Data and knowledge is easy to share and reuse across projects, thereby decreasing development time to get products out to market faster. The platform provides integrated state-of-the-art 3D design and simulation tools to optimize product design of a new tire concept. Simulations are performed earlier in the design process to allow evaluation of multiple variants and selection of the most optimum design. The platform can capture test data from multiple sources and connect it directly to the requirements to analyze how changes to specifications will affect the physical product. Manufacturing engineers can easily generate manufacturing bill of materials, process plans, and work instructions within the same platform. This digital thread enables everybody to work with a truly connected tire in a model-based environment. The Dassault Systems 3D Experience platform allows users to fully integrate the process, data, and institutional knowledge for each functional domain to complete projects in the most efficient way possible, on time, on cost, and with reduced waste.